guys, so today I thought I'd talk about my current favorite K-Beauty serums. So I've got a whole list of, I think 8 or 9 of them, and they're all fragrance-free, they're all pretty affordable, and they're all really wonderful products that I absolutely love. So anyway, if you're looking for a nice serum, it's always a good product to add in right after cleansing, in between your moisturizer. You can have different serums for different things. Most of these are general serums. Otherwise, you have like vitamin C serums, exfoliating serums, other things like that. Most of these are just general, like hydrating serums or repairing serums. So anyway, let me start off the bat with my absolute favorite, repurchased multiple times, the Hyggee Natural Repair Serum. This one is wonderful, and I love it. You can get it in the super size. The super size is at Amazon, and it's shipped and sold by Hyggee, or at Yesstyle they have the smaller size. So if you haven't tried it before, it might be nice to start with the small size, or if you know you're going to like it, go for the big one. It's got ginseng, panthenol, vitamin C, lactobacillus ferment, amino acids, and green tea. And this, how much is this one? I think it's 4 ounces. Yes, 4 ounces, 120 milliliters. It will last you a long time. I love using this one. I use it a lot in the serum because it's got or in the summer. I use it a lot in the serum. I use it a lot in the summer because it's just got a really wonderful gel texture. However, I've been using it a lot this winter as well because it's just a nice neutralizing product. So sometimes if I use peptides with other products that typically aren't super friendly with peptides, I'll use this in between as kind of a neutralizing product to hopefully protect the peptide bonds, because sometimes with certain ingredients or pH levels, peptide bonds can break down. So I like this product in between to maybe help prevent that from happening or lessen it from happening. Okay, next up, I've got the Numbuzin number 3 Skin Softening Serum. So in here we've got Bifida, we've got Galactomyces ferments, Niacinamide, Panthenol, and goat milk, which goat milk has special enzymes in there which help it soften the skin. So you'll see goat milk from time to time in certain skincare products. Kate Somerville uses a lot in their goat line. Beekman, that brand, the Beekman, 1802 brand, they also use a lot of goat milk. So this stuff is really wonderful. No fragrance in it. And the bottle is big too. What is it? 1.7 ounces, 50 milliliters. Most serums are about 1 ounce. So keep that one in mind. Okay, next up, another one from the same brand. The Numbuzin number 5 Concentrated Serum. I'm using this right now underneath my moisturizer and makeup. So this one is really nice. So it's got blueberry, which we're going to see again in a few minutes. Tranexamic acid for brightening your skin up. Turmeric, another great brightening ingredient. We've got Beta-Glucan, brightening, skin-soothing antioxidant. Glutathione, another brightening ingredient. And then mushroom, fragrance-free, no scent. And the texture of this one is really wonderful as well. So it's got kind of a jelly serum type texture to it. So, and it really soaks in nicely, plays well with other products. There we go. Anyway, so very nice serum, non-greasy, non-sticky, super affordable. Highly recommend checking this one out. Okay, next up, so this one's technically labeled and marketed as a serum, but it's really, I consider more of an essence. And that's the Cosrx 6 Peptide Skin Booster Serum. It's got obviously 6 peptides. It's got amino acids. It's got niacinamide. It's got vitamin E. Wonderful product. Very affordable. This bottle will last you forever. I mean, it's huge. It's, what is it? 5 ounces, 150 milliliters. And it's watery texture, so it soaks in nicely. And a little bit goes a long way. Same thing I can kind of say with this one, the Vegreen Reishi Barrier Serum. So this one's got several different types of mushroom, which is good for your skin. It's got lactobacillus ferment, licorice root, niacinamide, green tea extract. I've been using this bottle for quite some time. It's at about right here. And I use this one a lot morning and evening, right after cleansing and toning. I just feel like it's an extra layer that gives my skin some hydration. Or sometimes if I'm feeling lazy, this is just what I put on and then go to bed. So it's really nice for that, for laziness. Okay, so this is the main product that has some actives in it, and it's the Nineless A-Control Azelaic Acid Serum. And what I absolutely love about this, it's got 3 of my favorite ingredients in it, and it's super affordable. I think it's about 15 bucks. So it's got 10% azelaic acid, it's got snail mucin, and it's got centella. Does it get better than that trifecta at all? Well, if it had some more peptides in there, it might, but anyway, it's amazing. If you haven't tried azelaic acid, I highly recommend checking this one out. Let's see, next up, we've got the Marion May Idebenone Blackberry Serum. Obviously, we've got Idebenone, which is a super strong version of CoQ10, Blackberry, Blueberry, and Acai Berry. And then last but not least, I see my battery's dying, so let me get to this one. The Cane Vita Drop Serum with sea buckthorn, cocoa, turmeric, panthenol, and vitamin C. Absolutely love it. So anyway, I wanted to finish quick because I see the little red light. Ding, ding, ding. It's about to die. So anyway, I'm going a little quicker than I would. But anyway, if you have questions about any of these, leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Okay, thanks so much. Bye, guys.